Hey everyone, Owen here from Sintel with an update on the latest release for Sintel Forms Studio. At the end of May, we released 6 new features, and I'm going to do a quick demo of each of them. The 6 features include external sharing, some changes to external collaboration, 2 new features in relation to printing, some extended email support, and a new option to replace choice fields with images. So let's get into it. There's a new feature available within the settings screen of the Sintel Forms Designer called external sharing. When this is enabled, you'll be able to invite external people to work on forms. You can do this for things like collecting signatures. In the external collaboration feature, we've added a new option to allow you to disable the emails that are normally sent when an external person submits a form. The next 2 features relate to printing, and within the layout screen, you're now able to define whether a particular section or field are excluded from printing. If you click on the section, there's an option under the print mode for exclude from printing, and the same applies when you select a field. We've also included page numbers, so when you export to a PDF, each page will be numbered sequentially. The next feature we've added relates to emails. Previously, when you send emails, you used to be able to send it to a SharePoint user, a single line text field containing an email address, or a SharePoint group. But we've extended that now to allow the support of distribution lists, shared mailboxes, and mail-enabled security groups. The last feature relates to the replacement of choice fields with images. I'm just going to show you a demo form to demonstrate this. This is a summer camp registration form, and I'm going to enter in some details here. Choose a camp date. Just to explain here, these are actually regular choice fields that have been replaced with images. This is particularly useful if you're filling in forms on mobile devices while wearing PPE such as gloves. It speeds up the process and makes it much less error prone. So let's invite an external user here. Now that I've added an email address, I can click on Save. That will save the form and send an email to that external user. So let's see what that external user sees. I have my trusty iPad here. I'm going to open up my email, and I will have a notification that the form has been shared with me. I can click the link to open the form. I'll be prompted to authenticate, and in order to do so, I have to tap to send the PIN code, which will email the PIN code to the same email address that I was registered with. PIN code should be through momentarily. Here we go. I can copy the code, go back to my form, paste it in. It'll automatically validate and open the form for me. And now, as the external user, I can decide that I would like my children to participate in swimming, gymnastics, definitely cycling. Enter in their name. Their date of birth. Gender, and I can sign the form. Hit save. Now the form will be submitted back to the tenant with the signature included, and I'm good to go. So that's a summary of the features for Sintel Forms Studio for May. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or you'd like to try out any of these new features, feel free to visit our website, sintelforms.com, and make sure to follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube for the latest updates, as we release new stuff every month. Thank you.